In this ukulele tutorial, we're going to go over one of the great classic jazz songs of all time, sung by the great Etta James. This one is called At Last. I'm going to show you all those chords. These are some real deal, great sounding jazz chords that you need to know in your playing. So welcome. This song's got a real special place in my heart. This is a song that my wife and I danced to on our wedding. So hi, I'm Terry, and thanks for being here at ukelikethepros. If you haven't done so already, it'd be great if you subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. Also, you can find me on Instagram at ukelikethepros. Now this song, I think it's going to be much easier if you have a song sheet, the lyrics, the chords, all the chord diagrams, as well as two unbelievable backing tracks, which we're going to play a little bit later when we do the play along, sing along part. You can get all those at my patreon.com/ukelikethepros page. All right, let's just dive into it. Let me show you the rhythm here that we're going to be using. So that's a basic rhythm, okay? I might do a little variation in it, but if you can just get this down, you're gonna be well on your way. Because this is a ballad. So slower songs, you don't need to do like this really busy strum pattern. I'm gonna actually use my thumb for this whole one. And if you can get these first two measures down, these exact chords, what we're doing, you're gonna get a good chunk of the song, probably 80% of the song right here, okay? So C6-9. You're gonna have to follow the chord diagrams, or again, get that song sheet. And I'm gonna go strum on beat 1, and then on beat 2, I'm gonna do a more accented short hit. Then when I go to the A minor chord, beat 3, just a normal hit, and then accented on beat 4. The next measure then goes to D minor 7, again, and then the G7 flat 9. The same thing. Okay, so again, if you can get this down, practice these two measures, you're going to be golden. Let's do it a couple times here. 3, 4, and... One more time. All right, now, instead of going through the entire song, because this is a 32 bar song, and it's AABA. That's the form, because you do the A section, which is 8 bars. The next A section, excuse me, another 8 bars. It's slightly different at the end. Then you have this B section. It's kind of like a bridge in these songs. And then you have the A section again. Now, instead of going through it all, like I said, we're going to do, if you do the first 6 bars of all 3 A sections, that's the same thing, which is that. The C6, A minor 7, D minor 7 to the G7 flat 9, okay? The only thing that's gonna change in the A section is the last 2 bars, okay? So I'm just gonna show you those 2 bars in that E section, and then I'll show you the bridge, okay? But for now, let's do the first 8, and then I'll tell you what I'm doing. So here we go. 1, 2, oh, by the way, it's at last. So as you're starting notes, if you're singing along, we'll do that in a little bit with the play along. At last, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now do that again. Now check this out. Here we go. New chord. And now here's those last 2 bars I was talking about. All right? Yes. Might take a little practice, but you'll get it down. So as I mentioned, those first 6 measures, okay, those are going to be the same for every A section. It's just going to be this end that changes. So the first ending here, the first, which is bar 7-8, is going to be this. The C6, 9, the A minor, so nothing new there. And then this cool A flat 7 chord, followed by this G7 sharp 5. Okay, that's it. All right, so then the second A section is going to be the same 6 bars, right, that we did. Now the last 2 bars for this one, right before the bridge, is going to be this. All right, so what that is, C6-9, F6 chord, it's like an F6 chord, okay? Back to C6-9, and then A minor 7. And that's gonna take you right into the bridge part, okay? The bridge part, this is the only time it happens right here. So let's just go ahead and play it nice and slow. 2, 3, 4, and... Check this out now. Keep going now, and... All right, there's a lot. There's a lot right there. So again, I can't stress enough, having a chord chart, having all these chord diagrams so you can look at, or pausing the video here. You're just gonna take some time. Now you're just gonna take some time, but you can do it. And once you do, you're gonna feel a great satisfaction to it. Let me just point out a couple really cool chords here. This F sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord, really, really cool chord. And then you see this B7 flat 9. Notice you see this shape a lot. This shape is the same shape for a lot of chords in the song. The G7 flat 9, the B7 flat 9, this D7 flat 9, the A7 flat 9. The same shape. Some of them are just going to be on different frets. All right, so that's a really cool chord. Now check this one out. A minor 7 flat 5, another cool shape. D7 flat 9, G major 7, the one chord that actually has an open string in it. E7 flat 9, and what I'm doing, check this out. Nice little slide. All right, and then just go into this little turnaround. And then G7 here. First time we're doing this one up here. And that's gonna lead us to the last A section, okay? And then the last A section is gonna be just like the other two A sections. Remember those first 6 bars, and then it's just gonna have a different ending, okay? The ending is gonna be this. Check this out. All right, so I've kind of added that in. It's actually, I don't know, I just came up with it. It was kind of cool. It's not gonna be any kind of retard, like it didn't slow down, but anyway, so the last 2 bars here, basically just this C6-9, and then I'm gonna go, it's kind of like a D minor, but remember, it's almost the same thing we did earlier for the F6. Slide it down, and then just C6-9. All right, let's do it. Now this time I'm gonna add the backing track. This is gonna be the fast backing track, which is not that fast, like 63. We're gonna also sing it. So here we go. Remember our starting notes is da-dee at last. Are you ready? I'm excited. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh, 1, 2, 3. At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. At last, the skies above are blue. My heart is wrapped in clover. The night I looked at you, and I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I could call my own. And I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill I have never known. You smiled, and then the spell was cast. here we are in heaven, for you are my last. Man, what amazing, amazing song. Got some tough sections in there for sure, but this one, when you get it down, you're going to feel such a great sense of accomplishment. So again, the song sheets will do nothing but help you. The backing tracks, the slow, the fast, will definitely get you on the right track. So again, you can grab those at patreon.com. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. If you left a comment, I appreciate that as well. And we'll see you in the next video.